Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to use graphing calculator to demonstrate how to use log and how to give the graph for log. And also one thing I just want to remind you is if you do not have this kind of graphing calculator, today I'm going to share this document with you. If you have Apple device like iPhone and iPads, you can try the one I highlight here. And if you do have Android device, you can try the one I highlighted here. So you should be able to access this kind of graphing calculators if you do not have one. And the reason we cannot just like using regular calculator because it's not really easy to get a graph. And sooner when we work on some another topic, which is called exponential regression, it's easier. It's very easy to do this on the graphing calculator like this. Okay, so in the previous video, we introduced how do we plot the graph for the log and also for the exponential function. So here I'm going to demonstrate how to use this kind of calculator to get a graph and even just use this to do some features using log. Okay, so let's clear this screen here. So some students, if you are familiar with all the key here, you probably already noticed there's one thing called log here. And if you do pay attention here, there's if you click there's no little number on the bottom like we usually see, right? So remember, that's what I mentioned before. If you do not have any numbers like if we write down log 100, automatically this number is actually 10. So that's why only for 10 we do not put log here. So that's why, for example, if I put a 100, and you will see it's going to be 2. So, but you may wonder then, what if I have log 3, log 2, but you said we have to keep that number? Yes, you're right. Now, how do I use log? And we are going to check here. There is a one key called math, and you're going to keep going down or just, click this up. You will get to the bottom of the list. And the bottom of list, check there is a item called log base. Click enter. And that will be the one. See, if I want to see log 3, let's say 27. So ask yourself, 3 to what number? What power is 27? It's going to be 3. So that's how you access the regular log with different number other than 10. I'm going to demonstrate again. Go to math, and then this is the bottom of the list. So the quicker way is just click this top arrow, and now you will see the bottom list and go up again, log base, enter, and put whatever number you need to find out the answer. Now let's graph. So we all know when we graph it's going to be y equals, there is a key on the top, 5 keys on the top, and y equals. Now we are going to enter the graph we need to see. So again, since it's a log 3x, we go to math, and then we go to log base. So this is 3. In order to put x, you just need to make sure move the arrow so the cursor is on the right place, and then there is a easy key to access the variables next to the alpha x. Now just go, and there is a one called graph. Click this one and you will slowly to see a graph like that. So if you do not see this a little bit closely, we can just change the window. Since x is only for the positive side, so I can just reset up this from 0 to 10, and let's see what happened to this one. So now it's easier to see, right? I can only see the right side of the graph is slowly increasing. And if you want to double check the value, you can go second graph. You will access a table. And one thing I want to share with you, if we go after 0, you see all y shows error. That's exactly why we mentioned for x value can only be greater than 0, because there's no definition for y if x is negative. See? And some values here, for example, in the future, you want to access some points here. The good idea is choose some integer here like 31, 92, things like that. Okay, so that's basically I want to share with you how to use log to get a graph, and you can even just practice all different kind of graph to analyze all the different features, and you will definitely learn more. Thank you everyone for checking this video. I hope this video is helpful to give you some new idea of how to use calculator to get the graph of the base, graph of the logarithmic function. And just do more practice. You will, have fun to play with it. See you everyone. Take care.